Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a concept squad in FIFA. First, navigate to your club menu. From there, select the Squads tab. You will then see an option to create a new concept squad. This powerful tool lets you plan your dream team without spending any in-game currency. It is perfect for testing out new ideas and seeing how different players might fit together before making any commitments. Once you have opened your new concept squad, it is time to add some players. You can search for any player in the game by their name, league, nation, or club. Use the robust filtering options to narrow down your search results, making it much easier to find specific players. You can add a full starting 11 plus 12 substitutes, totaling 23 players for your squad. Now that you have a pool of players, you can start building your dream team. Simply drag and drop players from your list onto the pitch. Try out different formations, like the classic 4-4-2 or the attacking 4-3-3, to see what works best. Pay close attention to the chemistry links between players. Green links indicate strong chemistry, which is vital for optimal team performance in matches. After meticulously crafting your ideal team, remember to save your concept squad. You can save several different squads, allowing you to compare various strategies and player combinations. Give each squad a unique name for easy identification later. Furthermore, you can share your concept squads with friends, inviting them to offer their insights and suggestions, helping you refine your ultimate team build.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.